Samsung has been at the forefront of smartphone innovation for years, but 2025 is shaping up to be a game changer. With the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra and the Book5 Pro, the Korean tech giant is doubling down on ecosystem synergy. This is more than just a smartphone or a laptop. This is a seamless, AI-driven, ultra-connected experience that will redefine how we interact with technology. If you've ever wondered what it's like to have a phone, laptop, tablet, and accessories all working in perfect harmony, this is it. Samsung is pushing boundaries, integrating Galaxy AI, performance upgrades, and software continuity to an entirely new level. Galaxy S25 Ultra, pushing smartphone boundaries. The Galaxy S24 Ultra set a high standard, but the S25 Ultra is rumored to take things further with hardware refinements, a new AI-driven chipset, and a camera system designed to outshine the competition. Fire the design, refinement over reinvention. While leaks suggest a familiar form factor, subtle but meaningful improvements are expected. Titanium 2.0. Samsung could refine the titanium frame, making it lighter yet more durable. Thinner bezels and more flat display. A more symmetrical design could be on the way. Under-display tech. Speculations are swirling around an under-display front camera for a truly full-screen experience. Camera with flash camera upgrades. Samsung's image processing evolution. Samsung has been a leader in mobile photography, and with the S25 Ultra, expect even more. 200MP next-gen sensor, improved night photography, and AI-driven optimizations. Better zoom. A quad-lens periscope setup might enable higher optical zoom without digital distortion. AI-centric post-processing. Samsung's Galaxy AI will likely refine photos in real time, optimizing exposure, detail, and dynamic range. High-voltage Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or Exynos 2500. Samsung is once again playing the dual-chip game, but early leaks suggest both chipsets will be manufactured on Samsung's cutting-edge 3nm process, making them more power-efficient, less heat, longer battery life, faster and smarter. AI acceleration for real-time translations, AI-powered search, and intelligent app optimization. Battery and charging. Faster, smarter, and more reliable. 5,500 mAh battery. Some rumors hint at a slightly larger capacity. Faster 65W charging. Samsung might finally step up its charging speeds. AI-powered battery management. Samsung software optimizations could extend battery lifespan by learning usage patterns. Galaxy Book5 Pro. Samsung's best laptop yet? The Galaxy Book5 Pro is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most exciting laptop releases. It's not just a Windows machine, it's a productivity powerhouse that integrates seamlessly with the entire Galaxy ecosystem. Laptop computer design and build quality. Samsung has been mastering ultra-premium laptop designs, and the Book5 Pro could feature sleeker, lighter chassis, possibly even thinner bezels with a 16-inch 3K dynamic AMOLED 2X display, 120Hz refresh rate. A more responsive, fluid experience could be coming. Enhanced cooling? Samsung might refine its vapor chamber cooling system to push performance further. Rocket performance. A game changer for Samsung laptops? Samsung is rumored to include Intel's Meteor Lake processors, or even a custom Exynos chip for Galaxy AI enhancements. Longer battery life. ARM-based chips could deliver insane efficiency. AI-powered productivity. Seamless app switching, Samsung DeX 2.0, and improved handwriting to text via the S Pen. The ultimate Samsung ecosystem. How everything connects. What makes the S25 Ultra and Book5 Pro so powerful together? It's the ecosystem experience. Galaxy AI continuity. Start a task on your phone and instantly continue on your laptop. Samsung Notes X Book5 Pro. Handwritten notes on your phone sync flawlessly to your laptop. Samsung Flow 2.0, drag and drop files, auto-sync clipboard, and faster cross-device sharing. Imagine this. You're editing a 4K video on your Book5 Pro, but need to quickly check a project detail from your S25 Ultra. Instead of transferring files manually, Samsung's new AI-driven ecosystem lets you instantly access your phone's gallery, documents, or messages without switching apps. Final thoughts. Is this Samsung's most exciting upgrade yet? With the Galaxy S25 Ultra and Book5 Pro, Samsung is proving it's more than just a smartphone brand. It's creating a fully connected, AI-powered tech universe. The S25 Ultra's AI-enhanced performance, upgraded cameras, and refined design make it a serious contender for the best flagship of 2025. Meanwhile, the Book5 Pro is becoming a must-have for professionals, thanks to seamless ecosystem integration and next-gen hardware. If you're a Samsung fan, power user, or someone looking for the ultimate productivity experience, this might just be the ecosystem upgrade you've been waiting for. What do you think? Would you switch to the S25 Ultra and Book5 Pro combo? Let's discuss in the comments.